Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna make this kettle bag here. I'm gonna start making a pattern. I didn't like how it came. It's disgusting. So we work with that one. So we have the soft interface and heavyweight for the purse. You can either use cardboard or whatever you have in your home. So I'm gonna use this black lining and yellow lining cotton. That's like my African print that I ordered online. And here I'm putting my side panel and the inside of the bag. As well with the outside lining of the bag. Here I'm just placing my interfaces on the fabric to prepare myself to iron, and that's the side panel of the purse. And I'm just putting my pins in to place the fabrics. And here I'm going to be using 1/2-inch seam allowance around my inside of my bag, all around, so the bag won't have too much bulk. And I'm gonna trim to more easier to fold over the seam allowance. Because you see that the round curve, we have to make it lay down more easier. And there's my hot Gorilla glue gun. It worked perfect for me making my bag. It holds them better than the regular hot glue gun in my perspective. And that's the corner. Just make sure you even that out so the pieces won't be sticking out. You can either fold over or cut the trim off the corners to lay more flat. And here we go, the inside the bag. And I'm here flexing it for better support, but I'm going to use my blade. And there we have it. The closure, the flat part. Make sure you mark the lines so you know where your fold lines are. And there we have it, the shape. And I'm going to do this for the outside of the back as well. And here I'm putting more hot glue. I don't know how many times I burnt myself here. And again, the corners of the bag. And make sure we cut the fold line to get the shape better. I'm getting ready to work on the side panels. And we're going to use a 1/2-inch seam allowance. And trim the threads off. Work clean, I say. All threads go away. Have the seam allowance. And we're going to press, fold over, and I use a 1/4 of seam allowance just to hold everything together, even though I'm using hot glue to glue it to the inside of the bag. Going to do the same to the other side panel. And right now I'm just marking where's my center of the bag at, so I can put my garland on for my bag handle. Add my hardware. And here I go gluing the side panel on. Make sure you even it out, or you're gonna have a lopsided bag. And see, there we go. And we're gonna do the same to the other side. The base of the bag, but it's inside. And now we're gonna work on the first handle. And that's the hand handle of the bag. And that's my daughter standing right there watching me. Who say you can't watch a movie and work at the same time? And that is the Umbrella Academy movie that I'm watching. No sponsor. And here I'm just gluing the hand handle on my bag on before I glue the main piece to my inside liner. It missed the part of me gluing the base down to the bag together, so here we go. We're almost done with the bag. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. And right now I'm working on a side bag handle. Make sure you have your hardware, your choice of any hardware you want to choose of your liking. I chose this one to make it more easier. I can have a handbag or shoulder bag. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Remember, like, follow, and subscribe.